and wrenching with one hand, holding the camera with the other. When it pops off, it'll probably come back and hit me right in the nuts. So that'll be good for you guys. And somebody hit that with the sledgehammer. I'm not going to name any names. Welcome back, everybody. Plan for today was I was going to be putting a motor in a 1977 Ford F-150. But our 2003 Ford Child Chaser decided to make grinding noises. So I guess we got to do this instead. Not what I wanted to do today. We got a new hub. We got a stereo. We got a cat. So we might as well get this done so we can do something fun. Got my stool set up for the day. There we go. Got to remove our brake caliper. Got to remove our rotor. Hey, don't worry about the marks on there. Freaking thing stops great. Okay. She's got good pads. Yeah. I'd say that's it. So to remove your rotor, you take your hammer and you beat on it on the face like it owes you money, and she'll pop loose. She'll pop loose. Alrighty. We need to get that off. And we got 4 bolts back there. Have to be 18mm in the back. God knows what that is. Something I probably don't even have. I hope all 10 of you that are watching this are enjoying yourselves. According to the interweb, this is a 35 or a 36mm nut. But I can tell you for sure, if you take 1 3/8, you get it kind of on there, and you tap with your hammer, she'll fit. Now, don't forget to follow your ABS speed sensor. It'll be up here. You have to disconnect that. Feel free to break that plastic bitch because it's probably all caked in mud. No issues there. You're not putting it back on anyway. So, as in the new hub comes with a new one, right? That's what I'm trying to tell you as I fight with this thing. Okay, enough of this. 2 hands. Holy crappers. That was a bad idea, maybe. Either heat or the beats. One or the other. I don't understand how that can be seized in there. It was only installed 265,000 miles ago. That's 435 or 6 in kilometers. Well, we'll try this. The biggest puller I think I have. And since I'm holding the camera and wrenching with one hand, holding the camera with the other, when it pops off, it'll probably come back and hit me right in the nuts. So it'll be good for you guys to watch. Giving up on that one. Upgrading to this one. Ready. We're building a puller. Well, this is what we got. Our lug nuts here. Those tighten in. The nut is under there. It'll bind up and pull the hub out against the shaft. That's the thought. I don't know. We'll see. Quarter inch at a time. Quarter inch at a time. We either bent our puller or something moved. Fuck. Didn't budge. Didn't budge a bit. And yeah, bent my puller. Well, let's see you bend this bitch. Fuck, I might be bending it. That's a solid bar. Today's Canada Day. And the younger me, we'd go to a lake, me and my buddies, and we'd like drink all afternoon into the evening. And somehow we'd find our way home. That sounds like a lot of fun right about now. Although I'd be hungover for like 3 days if I did it at this age. Got it. Not all the way. Started. Yeah, we broke the CV shaft. One or the other. Well, we've got her moved that far. And somebody hit that with the sledgehammer. I'm not going to name any names. Huh? It's hard to find good help. See? Gotta be almost beer break. Yeah. A little rust there. They say, manufacturers say, not to put anti-seize on these spindles, splines. Those guys can go fuck themselves. Would have been done a long time ago if they would have done that in the factory. Well, torque that one to till it was freaking tight, and then a little bit extra. The fore and the back. I torqued till I grunted, and then a little bit extra. Just gotta get the brake caliper and the rotor back on. Tire. We'll go for a test drive. -1 lug nut from our puller. Click. 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 There you go. That's changing a Ford hub on a 2003 Ford Expedition. Ooh. Building your own hub puller and beating it with a sledgehammer. Slow down, stop the motion sickness. If you like this content, like, share, subscribe, tell your friends, and we'll catch you on the next one. Later.